afternoon everyone and welcome back to my vlog. I am Angie King and today we'll be talking about this. It's an Evo 4.5 or it's actually an Evo 4 that we put a 5 kit on it, but we made our own custom wide body kit. Now I have shown this car already in my shop updates, but I wanted to give it a special video just because it looks so good. I'm a bit particular with the love for this car because growing up this was the car that I really wanted to get. Although I am building one now which is a full rally car, this belongs to my friend and we were so happy when he said that he wanted a Mad Max looking kit on it. We ended up looking at photos of the Cyber Evo from Japan, which was built like a decade or 2 decades ago. After that, just looking at the photos, we decided that we were gonna go down that route, make our own custom wide body kit. And after we finished the car, which was finished in white, the owner actually said like, I don't like white, let's go black. So we decided to spray the car with our P1 coating. It is peelable. Anytime he wants to go back to the white Foreman finish, he could. Now, other things that are interesting in this car is it's running a very square setup with the work wheels. We have an 18x10 setup all around, wrapped in Michelin rubber. And we also have 4 bucket seats. 2 Recaro seats in front, and the old bucket seats from the front, we moved it to the back. So the new owner can now scare passengers and have 4 people riding in buckets all at the same time. Besides that, a unique thing that we did was we retained the factory looking wing, but we actually expanded into a double wing setup, but maintaining the shape and form of the side blades. So I'll do some detailed shots so you guys can see what we've done. Underneath the hood is relatively a stock 4363. It's got the stock turbine on it. Has an air filter, blow-off valve. It used to have a wet shot nitrous kit, but we removed it just because the owner doesn't really use the car often. Besides that, everything up in the engine bay stock. It's running very old Tein coilovers. It's actually rides a bit hard. Besides that, we've added our own custom rubber lip, which gives it a more aggressive stance. Ultra wide canards over there. And this is the original color right underneath, and the P1 coating just sits on top. Here inside the car, as you can see, the 4 bucket seats. Front seats are Recaro Sportster seats in black leather. And as you can see, we've done the floor up in an aluminum finish. Also, we have our full carbon door sides. I'll get more details of that so you can see how amazing the work is. This is the RS version, so it does have manual window winders. RS means the lightweight version. Anytime the owner wants to ride 4 people, it's not a problem, although the back seats would have to be for shorter people because they're very high up. And looking at the detail for our carbon door sidings, this is vacuum infusion carbon, so it's very thin, very strong. We have added back a stereo system for him, and look at our carbon door window winders. Nice pull strap. I had Kev flip the car around so we can appreciate the back work on the car. As I was saying, here is the Evo wing that we've retained the structural shape with the base platform, but we have gone with a double blade. This is carbon infusion vacuum. As you can see, very stiff. Sorry it's a bit dirty, but as you can see, we also made a lower diffuser. Besides that, we have changed the taillights to Depot Taiwan Evo 5 taillights. Here in the back, you can see the detail of the fender vents, both front and rear.